What's going on, everyone? Hopefully a quick video today. Some of you may remember I worked with Kemimoto, it's a motorcycle company, before with the Navi and their tail tidy. And today we have a little bit different thing going on with the Grom. They make a good amount of Grom parts, and I'm excited to work with them on these. They sent over a small box, but it's a pack of their Verge Washers. These go around your body panel bolts. And are CNC'd aluminum. Let's get a close-up going there. So it's a star pattern on there. They have the same contours on the back as your stock ones, but it's all CNC'd aluminum. They're strong. They're not going to bend, and I think they're going to look pretty cool on the bike. I don't mind the bits of accents of silver, but I think if we black out these, it's really going to help make the color of these new body panels that we put on really pop a little bit more. So thank you, Kemimoto, for sending these out, and let's put them on. Alright, just want to do one quick close-up in comparison. So plastic washer here from Honda. I've actually scratched most of these that I've taken out so far. You can see it in there. And the Kemimoto one is CNC'd aluminum, and it's surprisingly glossy, which I think is kind of cool. Barely any machining marks on there. There's a little bit on these ridges, which I mean just confirms that it's CNC'd rather than forged or whatever. But it looks cool. I mean, it definitely has more of a design than the stock Honda ones. I like that it's aluminum rather than plastic. Hopefully it should hold up better as you're taking panels on and off to do whatever. And it's a surprisingly nice piece. Yeah, there's a link to these down in the description too, by the way, if you want to check them out for yourself. For what you pay for them, like, that's solid aluminum and it's thick and no regrets. I think these are awesome. Okay, like I said, 5mm hex. I'm using a ball hex because the holes on these are pretty deep. And then that bolt just spins on out. Oh god, don't drop it like I did. These the finish on these is on the stock Honda wash or bolts is kind of not great. Kind of flakes off, so maybe that's something the aftermarket can fix eventually. But and then instead of just using a painter's tape covered flathead, pop this off. The Honda ones go a bit deeper into the bodywork, so you can see this lip here and here is a little different. So these ones press fit in quite a bit more, whereas these ones are more held in by the bolt, which not a problem there. So where did I put that bolt? Let's get this in. Might be helpful just to kind of line that up first. Let's see, I'll probably want to make these all lined up the same. So I'll just hold it in place while we turn. I don't know what the torque value is on that, but that's alright. I know that there's a thin nut clip on behind, so we're not going to go too tight. But that is what it looks like. Let's get a bit closer there. I think that looks pretty good. I think the deeper black makes this appear more the metallic gray, metallic black that it's supposed to be. So this looks good. Okay, we got our first half done. I think they look pretty sweet. Let's maybe scoot back. And it looks cool. I don't think you really want to watch me do the second half, so shut off the camera. I'm going to do that, and then I will hopefully see you out on the road, and we'll do some drone stuff.